Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to separate names in Excel or how you can split data from one cell to another or multiple cells. Okay, so let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget to comments below. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. So here you can see this is my Excel sheet and this is my I have my demo data. Like I have full name in one cell, like separate by comma in one cell, and now I want to split it in this two cell, okay, two rows, like two column, like first name and second name. So how you can do this? So guys, in order to divide name or data from one cell to in multiple cells, how you can work, how it will be, how what is the solution of this, what the way you can do this. So here first you have to select the data of first row which one want to split, you want to split into two. So just click, now you have to go in data and find here in data tools text to column. Okay, and here the delimited option is default clicked. You have to click in delimited option because the characters such as comma and tab separate for field. So we have data separated by comma. So first we have to click on delimited. Okay, then click on next. So here the by default tab, you in delimited you can see the in tab, but you have to click on comma because we have data separated by comma. But you, if you have data separated by tab or space, you can, okay, you can do this. You have to click on this if you separated by tab. Okay, so just click on comma and treat consecutive if you untick it, the consecutive column will be add there. So you have to tick there, don't untick this, you have to tick there. And now you have to next, click on next. Okay, so here you can see the text, they will appear here, and this should be, you have to keep like this, don't do this anything here. Now you have to do in finish and click on ok. So you can see the name, first name has been split with Mark and John, but you can see the original data has, deleted, and the new one has create with first name and last name. Okay, but if you want to keep your first data as it is and you want to split data in new columns, so there is another way. I just do undo for do this. Just select the row, go to the data and click on the text to column. Now you have to follow the same comma. Okay, so here you have to changes, you have to do changes. So destination you have to change, click on destination. So you can see the destination have been select here. So you have to select this destination first name. Okay, and click finish and okay. So you can see the original data has not changed it, and the another data has come like first name and second name. So it is split with another column, and it your first column and original data not changes. So how it is work, guys? I hope you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.